Vashpayanji said, O king Dhritarashtra, he described, and then Vedvyasji goes after going out these rishis. King Dhritarashtra was memorized and come in deep thinking. I in slow breathing, and Sanjay start to say, "O genius king, though soul is also genius, those king like love very much in the battle, their small and larger weapons are used to destroy other king in battlefield. These king are come in the battlefield to fight each another when a battle should started and king are killing to another king. They are only decorated a loka of the death or parloka. They are not like each other and they are all want a glamour of earth. O Sanjay, we describe so many qualities about earth. I listen this description about earth very carefully. So I elaborate earth. In this Kuru forest country, thousands and 10 lakhs, millions and billions come very king in a quorum. I describe very accurate result about cities and countries. Most bright and holy knowledge keeper with Vyasji said you and also got very high intelligence. So you are describe about it. Then he said, O intelligent king, I describe all matter about each and other point. He said, on the earth there are three kind of animal are live. Some are come out from eggs are called andaj, shwetaj, and from the human relationship are jarayuj, O king in chair and birth, king of living beings in two kinds. Jarayuj are a best living thing in those of all. O landlord king, in a Veda there was mentioned their different shape and size, color are 14 categories of species. A man is two unique species in all of them, and in animal, a lion is our best in selection. They are depend on each other. O king, those are generated or take birth from under the earth. They are called trees, herbs, and grasses. Fruits are come in botany, vanaspati. These plants extra are also divided in five parts or categories are Svetaj species. Those are developed or take growth under the water or aqua. They are also come in Jarayuj because they are also taken a generation from relationship. So egg from are also had been come in Jarayush category. A seven type of cities animal, those are the domestic, and seven type of forest animal. Their main structure has been come when five elements are collected mixing each other, and there are 24 types in element. From these 24 are reasonable and workable Brahm known as Gayatri. O king of Bharatvarsh, all fulfill characters, holy and reasonable, working Gayatri shaped. Brahma known very perfectly that the type of person has been free from time to next time, birth and death. Type of person has been free from time to next time, birth and death. His description is in kind of forest and seven cities available: lion, Varaha and Bulaha, and bear and elephants, and other seven are. O king, they are called the forest living beings, and cow, goat, sheep, man, mule. And these seven animals counted by city's royal person. They are come in 14 type of animal. Complete atmosphere has been originated on this earth. Element and species are originated on earth and spoil on the earth. This earth is house of living beings, and this is also called a shelter. The earth is a Sanatan. Then chapter 2, Dhritarashtra asked Sanjay, tell me about the river, mountains, and those country are available on the earth. What their names? Then he said, most clever king, to tell me about the scale of earth and those forests are available. What's their name? Sanjay said, O king Dhritarashtra, all the things those are available on earth are made up from five elements. So knowledgefully scholar person said those things are available are equal when they are compared: earth, water, air, and sky. They are five elements. Each are the better than other element from his character. And on the land all is main, all of them, all. And those holy persons or rishis are said word, touch, shape, and smell mean. Perfumes are a major characters. Okay, water has a four characteristics. In this, smell or perfume or fragrance is not available. Word, touch, element are main character of air. And in sky there was a was one character. O king, these type of five character. In these character, all main character are available. The universe a shelter of five element, but each element are equal when they are come to near or dissolved condition. If they are less and or more they mixed with each other, then his process of mixing has been over. Then species had taken their form or shape, and life element means jeev was are entered in it. But when they are equal it, they condition this process not be completed. All living things taking shape step by step mean earth in water, water in force or tej, and tej in air, and air in sky are mixed with each other. And then this mixing process of sky with air, air in tej, tej in water, and water with a mixed with earth are a process complete in step. Nothing is result of past. All things are with a glamorous and unmeasured. In everything of earth has been shown with the five elements. Every logicful species, those are available on the earth, they are classified these elements with their own knowledge. They are capable to different from each another, but those thought are not come. Then in this condition is Anchant is O Kurunandan. Then I start to describe about Sudarshan Island. O my king, this island like a discus form in round shape established in this island river water like cloud type. So many beautiful shaped city and big houses with beautiful flowers trees and surrounded with salt water, and many persons had go go many type of properties like gold diamond extra are seen their face in the glass like that. Sudarshan look like form Chandramandal in 14 and 16 shlokas, and Sudarshan Island has covered from different type of herb medicines. This is in this island had two type of people leaves and a sea, a very huge uh, live rabbit covered area. There was water has been covered, and I describe their points also. Listen carefully. Chapter number 3. King Dhritarashtra said, "O intelligent Sanjay, you describe me in short about this Iceland, but you know all elements. For this reason describe me in complete and explanation." Sanjay said, in a form of rabbit shown a spreading of land and proof of land. Those are look like the rabbit are sketched over the people leaf. So also describe incompletely. Then Sanjay has started to live to give a proof knowledge to King Dhritarashtra. O king, from the north side to west side, very best, beautiful, and huge. Six mountains are entered in the earth from northward to southwards. Main names are Van, Kut mountain. In these mountains are blue and like a moon brightness are displayed with all metals full filling region in look. Mountain is called Shankvan. O king, six mountain has all siddhis. All the land of mountain has spread 2,000 billion and one on land. There was many holy and glamorous places are situated. O Bharat, it's named in this country. Many kind of animal are lived. We are also give in this land. This country are called Bharatvarsha, and its last point is north side country situated. They call him Himvan Varsha. After Hemkut, those land are situated is called Harivarsha, and on the south side of Nil mountain, Nishada in north and Malyavan above, and Grand and Gandhamadan mountain also is in north, and in both mountain is a middle there cylindrical round like the gold mountain Meru is available. The mountain in shine in sun rays in morning time and look very bright compare with fire. O king, this mountain has entered in earth very deep. This mere from the bottom and top covered with lokas. O king, in near of the Meru there was a four islands. O king, there these islands are Bhadraksha, Ketumal, Jambudip, and in north Kuru. In these islands, very pure soul personalities are living. Suparna, Sun, Sumukha. Name Garuna, bird. Across over the Meru, he see the crows, and and this Meru is so best. This mountain see all are equal from its nature. From this reason, he fulfilled from anger and ran away from this place. Astrocycle, their main sun planets with moon move or and Pavandev moon and move around toward the Meru mountain. O king of this Meru mountain, god devotees, Gandharva, Sura, and Rakshasa, means demons, and Apsaras are living. Brahma, Lord Rudra, and Sureshwar Indra are organized many large yajnas. Tumbaru, Narda, Vaishnavasu has tried to make happy the god with hymns, Vedic hymns, and they move all over mountain. Each time period, seven rishis and Prajapatis Kashyapji also come on Meru mountain, and all are with joy, live with joy, cheerful. His blessing gave to all. O king, on the top of the mountain peak, a Kavisan Ushna has lived. A gem and pearls are originate. All mountain are full with gems and other precious metal. These mountain are also part of mountain or branch of Meru mountain. Now Lord Kuber taken only a fourth part and its 16th part given to earth living beings, means city living persons. Meru main mountain in north side, so many attractive stones and seasonally flowers, very beautiful divine forests, bright and also amazing full stone money, and a Lord Shiva and Lord Parvati Mata has taken and moving in beautiful garden in moving timing at some flower vases has been touched a shot or the touches at Shripad or Shri Charan of Lord Parvati, and they spread light all over like a three sun. Her darshan got only those saints are good in behavior and with a perfect thought holder, but those are not do a perfect karma. They had not got God in any condition. O king, from this mount, mountain peak of white and pure milk river highs flow and make a high level